Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix your YouTube offline error. For example, you might face the problem of your weak internet connection or your internet connection is not stable. Then in this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix it. First of all, you have to make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or your data connection is on, and make sure that you have a good internet connection. And the second thing, you have to go to your mobile settings and go to the app management. From there you have to go to the app settings and open the YouTube settings here. There you can see the option of storage and cache in the second section. You have to click on it, and there you can see the option of clear cache. You have to clear all the cache. Now you have to come back and open your YouTube. But still, if you facing the problem of your internet connection, you have to come back and open your Google Chrome browser or Google browser and search here YouTube down and click on the very first. From there you have to check your problem with YouTube or any problem that you are facing, that you can see that 100% is satisfied and there is no problem on YouTube at that time. So you have to come back and open up your Play Store app and search YouTube here. There you can see I have got the option of update. So if you got the option of update instead of open here, you have to update the app first. Once you update the app, you will be able to fix the YouTube offline error. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.